Hi friends, welcome to the first lesson of Scratch. Scratch.mit.edu. Enter. Let's press create so that we can create a project. But first you have to sign in. I already signed it in. Let's name it lesson 1. Here. And now this is our sprite. We should go to make the sprite move, and this is a green flag. When you press it, so then our sprite will move and do whatever we told it to. But for that, we're gonna need this block to make the green flag press. And then today we are gonna make our Scratch Cat's simplest project. We are gonna make our sprite move around. Let's change the background like this. I like Arctic. Then we should go to motion. Take this so that it starts whenever we press the green flag, it comes in the middle and then starts running, and then point in direction so that it goes perfectly. Here. Maybe let's make it 33 instead of 90. Here. And then let's use the forever loop from control. Now let's take the next costume block. Let's see how it works right now. Okay. So now we're gonna need move 10 steps from motion. Put it under next costume and then if on edge bounce. We're gonna find it right here but in motion. And then let's go to control. Let's take this and then make it -2. Let's see, that's how it works. Okay, good. Bye, see you in our next lesson. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.